Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are doing really well. I'm your teacher Rabia Moeed, and today we will do our second grammar topic, that is 5 familiar uses of the comma. You will find this topic in your book Junior English 4, page 62. Commas. First, let's understand that what is a comma. Comma is a very important punctuation mark that is used in a sentence to make the meanings clear. Today we will learn 5 common uses of comma, that in which sentences or during writing where you can use a comma. The first use is commas are used with terms of address. Address means names, titles. You can use it before or after the names, right? For example, Maria, comma, come here. Your Majesty, comma, we are lost. Sir, comma, I need your help. Now here, keep one thing in your mind, that comma can come before or after the names or the person you are talking to, right? So there is no problem. Like we can write it, I need your help, comma, sir, right? Second, commas are used in lists. Like you are talking about more than one thing, so it makes a list. So when you are writing all the articles, all the things included in that list, we use comma. For example, I bought apples, comma, grapes and melons. He put his books, comma, notebooks and pencils. Like here are 3 things. So we put comma between books and notebooks, and we didn't use another comma before and because there is and, the conjunction. So we don't need one more. Number 3, commas are used to separate words and phrases like oh, well, yes, no, as a matter of fact, at the beginning of the sentence. For example, if your sentence is starting with well or yes, like we do comprehension question and answer, what do you think? Was it true? So you start your answer with yes or no. So when you are writing yes or no, you will add comma after that. Here are some examples. Well, comma, we need to leave now. As a matter of fact, comma, I refuse to come. Yes, comma, I think it's true. So we will add comma after these phrases or words. Number 4, commas are used before please and thank you. For example, could you pass me that pencil, comma, please. I have had enough to eat, comma, thank you. Number 5, commas are used in the punctuation of direct speech. Like you are talking about someone said to you and you are quoting the exact same word that were uttered. So this is called direct speech. For example, I said. Like you are talking to someone and you are telling that I said this thing. So I said, comma. Now there are inverted commas and that direct speech is given. I have completed the work. He said. For example, just imagine that you are talking to someone and you are telling that he said, comma, it is getting late. So this it is getting late is called direct speech. Like you are not changing the verb, you are just quoting, you are telling the exact same thing. So this is direct speech. So these were the 5 uses of comma. Let's revise them one by one. Like the first one was, we will use it if we are using the name or title of the person we are speaking to. Terms of address. Number 2, commas are used in lists to separate the articles of the list. Number 3, if we are using phrases or words like oh, well, yes, as a matter of fact, hello, hi, so we will use comma to separate these phrases or words from the remaining part of the sentence. Number 4, we will use it if we are using please or thank you in a sentence. And the last one was that we will use it if we are writing the direct speech. Now boys, we need some practice. So for practice, you will open your page 62 and see that there is only one exercise given and there are 15 sentences, right? I will help you with the first 5 and you will do the remaining one. The question is, copy these sentences adding commas where they are needed. So number 1, Your Highness, your crown is crooked. Now Your Highness, you are talking to a person, Your Highness. So we will add comma after Your Highness. Number 2, I have packed sweaters, socks and anoraks. Now there are 3 articles, sweaters, socks and anoraks. So where will we add comma? Yes, between sweaters and socks. So sweaters, comma, socks and anoraks. Number 3, Jack, can you hear me? Now here we are using the name of the person we are talking to. Yes, so we will add comma after the name Jack. Jack, comma, can you hear me? Number 4, can I help you? Madam. Now madam is also the term of address. So we will use comma before madam. Can I help you? Comma, madam. And number 5 is yes, I want to buy a warm vest. So where will we add the comma? After yes. So boys, the remaining 10 you will do by yourself. I'm waiting for your work. Take care. Allah Hafiz.